Hey guys, this is Simon with TRADEnPERFORM Coaching. Wanted to show the trade setups that can set up in real time both in NQ and ES. This one's on NQ. So I'm looking here. So you'll see here I have a no supply, no demand bar over here, and we've taken out the stops. So I wanted the stops taken out between here and here. Right, so we've taken out those stops. So now I'm looking for a down triangle to trigger me in to my short side trade. All right, again, I want to show this in real time, show how the algo works in real time, so no one is confused about its efficacy and how well it works. There's an anomaly right here that we're trying to push above. So see how I know right now this is going to be a down triangle back in. I'm going to limit 13,575. I know it ahead of time that's where my trade entry is going to be. I'm going to initiate it with 2 contracts at because I know the bar. This is going to tell me where that bar is going to close, which will be 13,575. Right, so it's 1:20 in the afternoon. It's always a little bit more difficult place. Nothing's happened yet. I've got the first stage of a setup, and there's actually 2 setups here. What I'm focusing on is the stop out of the no supply, no demand. But over here, I got triggered into short at 13. It actually filled me at 501.50, right? I don't know how it did that, but every once in a while it'll jump right back up. And so now I'm going to target that 91.50 to get my risk off, or if it'll push back up towards 13, I'll add a contract up there. And my stop goes right up there at, let's just call it 26 for right now. And again, if that pushes back up, I will add a contract. I'm already ready to do that. And I also have my scale in. I got filled at 0150. So I'm going to have my scale in to take off a contract. I only did 2 contracts at this point. I'm going to have my scale in at 9150 for 1 contract. Right, that's going to take 10 points off and reduce the total risk of my trade. And then I'll look for an extension down lower if I can get it. Haven't gotten that fill yet. Just got filled at 91.50. Again, this is in real time, right? So now I can either close the whole trade out at 91.50. I knew exactly where to put my trade in, right? And now I can just wait patiently and see if I can get an extension. So for this trade, instead of trying to hit a home run, why don't we try to hit a 20-point extension, right? So I'm not going to add at this point. My stop's at 26. My entry now, right, is at 1150. So I essentially have less than half size. Normally I try to put on 3 contracts. This is 2. My average has moved up to 1150. The stop is 26, so I can still lose money here. But I have the trade well managed, and I have 2 ways to attack it. Right, I can look for a retest back down into the swing. I can look at a 50-60 retrace. I can just simply close it out for a profitable trade, or I can target to break the swing at 13,442. And I'm going to see if I can't get it to push down into that 13,472 to get about 20 points on the second contract. I'm going to go ahead and lay up there. Let's see, I'm at 91. Actually, that would be 30 points. Let's see. 0150, 9150. Let's try for 8150. Take our 20 here. We'll take it right now. 81 and a quarter. So there's 10, 20. So that's 200 plus 400, $600 on the trade. That was the entry, the exit, the stop, and it was done precisely and in real time, right? And I had 2 ways to set up targets below. This works for traders that trade small number of contracts and large number of contracts. If you'd like to visit the room, here's how you do that. You email me at TRADEnPerform@gmail.com. TRADENPERFORM@gmail.com. It's only for traders who are serious about making money. You're going to have to learn the process, but it'll get you paid with a high win rate. It's not 100% win rate. Floats between 60 and 80%, and the RR is there as just demonstrated. Anyways, this is Simon. I hope you're all making money. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.